welcome back to my channel English Vinglish with Manpreet. I hope you all are doing well. So as in the last videos, we discussed about what are conjunctions, what are the basic conjunctions that we use in our daily life. We also discussed about the first type of conjunctions, that are coordinating conjunctions, what are the different types, how to memorize them. And in the last, we also discussed about what are the basic rules that you need to keep in your mind whenever you're using a coordinating conjunction in a statement. In this video, we're going to discuss about the second type of conjunctions, that are subordinating conjunctions, how to memorize them, and what are the different rules that you need to keep in mind. So without further ado, let's get started. So a subordinating conjunction is a connecting word or a joining word that is used to join an independent clause, which is also known as a main clause, and a dependent clause, and for example, when the doorbell rang, comma, my dog barked loudly. So in this sentence, when is the subordinating conjunction that is used to join an independent clause and a dependent clause. Some of the subordinating conjunctions are although, after, while, whenever, before, because, etc. Now, an easier way to remember them is through a white bus. From A, you can memorize although, after, as. From WH, you can remember whenever, while, when, whereas, whereafter. With I, you can remember if, in case, in order. With T, you can remember though, till, and that. From E, you can remember even, even though, even if. With B, you can remember because, before. With U, you can remember until, unless. And the last one with S, you can remember since. There are no major rules that we need to keep in mind whenever we are using a subordinating conjunction in a sentence. There are only two rules. The first one is that when it is used, whenever you are joining an independent clause and a dependent clause. And the second one is that in most of the cases, they always come at the beginning of the dependent clause. So I hope you liked the video. If you liked it, kindly hit the like button and do not forget to subscribe to my channel. If there is any particular topic you want me to make video on, kindly comment down in the section below. There is also an Instagram page. You can also follow it. I'll link it down the description box, or I'll link it somewhere on the screen. So I'll meet you in the next video. Till then, bye bye, take care.